Hi, this is Arpan Shukla and you are connected with Anti-Aging Club. It is the place where you may get authentic information for extending your health span, your life span and looking at least 10 years younger than your present age. This series I have started with altogether different perspective to make people aware about the value of life which we got almost free. Now it is in our hands to take care of it. Our souls, our Atma, our super energy lives in bodily structure which need maintenance inside out. We will understand it later with various examples. Well, here in this series, in this platform of Anti-Aging Club, our main intention is to make ourselves, our mind, our body, soul so strong, intact and with good integrity that we get longer health span and also longer lifespan. Today I will be sharing some hacks of anti-aging, few habits that are useful for you and that you should start implementing from today only. So, would you like to learn the secret of anti-aging gracefully? Here are 10 habits to live longer and increase your lifespan. A very famous personality, Mr. Abraham Lincoln, once said, "In the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years." I tend to agree, do you? Yet, there is something about being human that makes us want to live a long life. Many people think genes and heredity plays a major role in deciding how long they will live. But genetics are not as influential as we once thought. It turns out that other factors like eating habit and lifestyle are much more important. This is a great news since it means we can influence the quality and length of our lives by making healthier choices. So here are the 10 proven habits that will help you to live longer life. Let's learn one by one. So number 1 is drink coffee or tea. Do you love your morning cup of tea or coffee as much as I do? If so, you can reap some impressive benefit from drinking coffee. Coffee and tea are full of antioxidants. Drinking coffee or tea may help prevent chronic diseases which can lead to early death also. Green tea was shown to cut the risk of major diseases that includes heart diseases, cancers, diabetes and many more. Similarly, drinking coffee is linked to a decline in several diseases like Parkinson, cancer, type 2 diabetes. So please keep in mind that coffee and tea contains caffeine which should not be overconsumed because drinking them too late in your day may interrupt your sleep also. Also, if you drink too much caffeine, you may feel jittery. So you might want to limit your intake to 4 cups of coffee in a day or even less depending on how it makes you feel. Now the number 2 habit is don't overeat. You may be thinking that's easier said than done, especially when it comes to chocolate. But research shows that reducing calorie intake may increase your life expectancy. So eating fewer calories has also been linked to a reduced chance of chronic diseases, reducing in your body weight and healthy change in the body composition. Some of the oldest and apparently healthiest people in Japan, they eat until they feel about 80% full and then they stop eating. Starving yourself is not the goal here, neither it is recommended. So what can you do to lower your calorie intake and prevent overeating? That is, eat smaller servings, eat on a smaller plate, chew slowly for a longer period of time, leave some food on your plate, or my favorite practice is intermittent fasting. You can start doing anything one by one. Now the next, third good habit is move your body. Too much sitting is not healthy. One study shows that link between sitting too much and premature death. So exercise is crucial to living a long and healthy life. You might even be able to increase your lifespan by exercising as little as 15 minutes in a day. And the best of all, the more you exercise and stay active, the more you reap the benefits. So exercising more than 150 minutes a week has the most benefits. 150 minutes means more than 2 hours, 2 to 2.5 hours. But anytime you move is good for your health and can help you live longer. If you are just starting out with a fitness plan, so focus on gradually increasing the time you spend working out. For example, the first week you could set a goal of walking around 15 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, whatever works for you. 3 to 5 days, continue with this particular routine. Then the following weeks, increase your walking up to 20 minutes in a day. Continue increasing your goal every week until you are walking 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. So in this manner, you increase your working out time on the daily basis. Try to make a combination of cardio workout and muscle workout. Both are necessary for your betterment of the body. The next one is don't smoke. Smoking is linked to decreased lifespan. A study of women in the UK showed that smokers may lose 10 years of their lifespan and are much more likely to die prematurely. But the good news is that it's never too late to quit the smoking. The next one habit for the longevity is include spices in your diet. Consuming spices such as turmeric and cinnamon can help you to live longer. Turmeric has a bright yellow chemical compound called curcumin. It's a member of ginger family. It has got many antioxidants that protects the body from oxidative stress. It is also an anti-inflammatory that fights against cardiovascular, pulmonary and autoimmune diseases. The next one is managing the stress. Reducing stress and anxiety are important skills to learn for living longer. Everyone has stress. People feel different type of stresses and anxiety and in different amount. The key is learning a skill to manage stress so it doesn't negatively affect your health. So developing a positive outlook and practicing gratitude are very much helpful tool in this particular process of managing the stress. Laughter and a positive outlook are good for you and may add years to your life. So grab your funniest friend, your best friend and head to the movies to watch that comedy you have been waiting to see. Or if you are stuck in a house, so call them up and have a chat. The next one is sleeping well. So when you are sleeping, your body works hard to heal and regenerate. Developing a regular sleep routine is essential to your health. Relaxing habits such as taking a warm bath and reading a book can help you to fall asleep faster. It's also important to go to sleep and wake up at the same time each day. This can be challenging if you have small children or work on irregular hours, but it's a good idea to keep your sleeping schedule as regular as possible. So simply do the best you can do within your unique circumstances and don't stress about it. It's recommended for adults to get between 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Sleeping much more or less than the required duration that affects your life expectancy. So keep it in mind that we all go through sessions of life when we get more or less sleep. Many times this cannot be helped. Try not to stress. If you are in one of those times, then relax, feel good and start your next routine as early as possible. Another one is eat nuts. Amazingly, eating nut might add a few years to your life. Nuts are chock full of antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, fibers and proteins. So one study shows that people who ate at least 3 servings of nuts per week, that lowers the risk of premature death by 39%. Wow, this is a good news. Also, eating nut reduces the inflammation. It is very good for heart related any issues and also protects from many cancers and diabetes also. The next one is try to eat fruits and vegetables as much as possible. There is not many things to say about this thing because people know about it. But if it is not possible to consume a variety of vegetables, then another great way to make sure you are getting the best nutrition is by taking high quality of multivitamin. And at last, but certainly not least, do things that make you happy. We may not be able to control bad things that happen in life, but we can control how we respond to our difficult situations. We may mope around feeling sorry for ourselves, but it's been my experience that this never helps. Plus, choosing to live life with joy and gratitude is contagious. Not saying that you need to be a Pollyanna, means you need not to be an extremely optimistic person, but a little happiness never hurt anyone, right? So, if you frame your thoughts positively and find gratitude even in the most difficult times, you may be surprised by the results. When we take a time to look up from our own problems, we see others who need support and encouragements. And this widens our circle of influence and love and gives us more opportunity to share what we are learning on life's journey. It's a beautiful circle of life, isn't it? So when we are intentional about keeping a positive mindset, it can actually add years to our life. There are many studies which shows that there is a correlation between the feeling of happiness and increased longevity. One of my favorite verse that gives me perspective when I need it the most is, "The joy of the Lord is my strength." So I would conclude it now as a summary of healthy habits to live longer. That is, genetics play a small role in life expectancy, but you can develop healthy habits will lower your risk of diseases and help you to live longer. Take time to move your body, decrease stress, sleep well, eat real food. These natural daily practices can make a big difference in your overall health and wellness. I hope these tips help you live a longer and healthier life. So, what healthy habits do you practice that can increase your lifespan? This was some small piece of information as introduction to the anti-aging look younger feel younger series. In fact, very useful information you may start implementing from today only. So stay tuned, stay connected. If you want to know specifically about anything related to the anti-aging, so feel free to ask in the comment section. Arpan Shukla from Anti-Aging Club signing off now. Have a nice day ahead. Thanks for listening. See you soon.